lots of makeup on your face and believe natural beauty is the best. Most of the time they loves to keep her look natural and used natural remedies to keep her face glow. Today in this video, I will share some ice cubes remedies to get fresh, glowing skin instantly. Also this will remove all puffiness from your face. Step number 1. Take a bowl, add some ice cubes, rose and jasmine petals and dunk your face. Every morning you can do this ice facial for 1 minute. It is also to reducing puffiness, improving the appearance of the skin tone, cut down your facial fat. Step number 2. You can also use rose water cubes on your face. Step number 3. Take a cucumber and cut into small pieces and place them into a blender or food processor to make a juice out of it. Pour the mixture into ice cubes tray. When they are completely frozen, now take a ice cube cucumber and gently rub on your face. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button on YouTube app. Never miss the update